Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drink ginseng root. Ginseng is a well-known herb, valued for its potential to boost energy, improve focus, and support your immune system. You can find it in several forms, such as fresh or dried root, powder, and even capsules. We'll explore how to prepare and enjoy this beneficial root in various ways, making it easy to incorporate into your daily routine. One of the most common and enjoyable ways to consume ginseng is by making tea. Start by thinly slicing your fresh or dried ginseng root. For each cup, use about 2 to 5 grams of ginseng. Bring 8 ounces of water to a boil, then let it cool slightly to approximately 208 degrees Fahrenheit. Steep the ginseng in the hot water for 5 to 20 minutes, depending on your desired strength, then strain and enjoy. Beyond tea, ginseng offers versatility in your diet. You can easily blend ginseng powder into your morning smoothie or coffee for a quick energy boost. Another excellent option is to add sliced ginseng root to your favorite soups or stews, infusing your meals with its beneficial properties. Remember, typical daily doses range from 1/2 to 3 grams of dried root, or 100 to 800 milligrams of extract. Before incorporating ginseng, it's always wise to consult a healthcare professional, especially if you have existing conditions or take other medications. Proper storage is key to maintaining potency. Keep fresh ginseng refrigerated for a few weeks, and dried forms in airtight containers in a cool, dark place for longer. Also, for staying hydrated, check out the Owala water bottle link and other great deals in the description below. Enjoy the benefits of ginseng responsibly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.